What's up, guys? Welcome to another Ian Outdoors video. In today's video, we're going to be working on the baler again, and it's snowing. Well, kind of a rain-snow mix. It's turning more to snow now, and I don't want snow. So let's get on with the video. So what we're doing here is just trying to get this piece on, since everything works pretty well like that.
Burning right through it.
Oh, that's no good.
So thin, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
What are we gonna do?
Fill it in. Slow. It's not good.
Dad welded this piece up here. Not really sure what it's for. What's it for?
To control the bales when they come out. I'm not really sure myself, buddy.
We just made that.
Gotta go in there. We gotta fix that all up
To
in
go
there.
in there, we had to cut out a few pieces.
And Everett was here helping us.
Everett.
Thanks, Everett McLeod. And he
Right.
took a piece for us, the old wheel, the guide wheel on the side, and straighten that out.
That was guide wheel. Was over here, which is on the side. Right here, that holds for. Alvin and me took that piece off. And then what else did we do?
I'm fixing the other piece that goes in the back here.
Oh yes, this piece over here. This piece here, we had to patch that hole yet. And we did this one here, because that was all full of holes, and we had to bend it right there, because this is all rounded. We'll get it all fixed up, but that's all we did for now. Number 2, did this piece here, and I taped off that where it says only use New Holland genuine baler twine. And in here, we put in this piece here, kind of a lever or something.
Gary gave it to us, it had to go in.
Had to go in here. It's just got to... Ow, that's still hot. We welded it probably 30 minutes ago. We had to put in a bottom piece. The bottom was rusted out. Then we had to make a bracket for the bolt to go through. Then we put a new bolt in and a new piece. There's the old ones over there. That still needs to be sanded down and painted. Now we're gonna go looking for another piece of that right there that goes on the back like that, since we're missing the other half. And I saw that other balers that are missing this side piece, the bales lean on their side or the bales come out crooked. And I don't really want crooked bales, so we're gonna go look for the other side of it. There! Got this new piece in. That was all rusted out now. More welding yet to do. Got all that done. I'm not gonna touch it because that'll burn my fingers. I'm just gonna weld. Sort of. He's welding up the little holes in it. Has to be perfect. to touch it. I'll have my fingers burnt to crisp, like I already said. And now we're just taking the welder and filling in the holes. There's more there. Got the other piece over there done. Should grind that off, make it smooth like this. Then sand the rest of it down, prime, paint. Back together. Like a lot of other things on the baler. Still have quite a bit, and we're getting there, getting close. We have to finish that piece, sand it. We have to sand a few things underneath. That yellow, we gotta get in there and do a bit more, not much left. Then we're gonna spray the yellow. We're gonna cover off the red and spray the yellow. Then we got the new rim on, it's an older tire, but new rim. Then we just painted up and around it, just a little scratch job with a paintbrush. Then we got junk in it, but we're gonna paint that a second time. Right in there when we paint the whole thing. And oh! My tripod came in business. Now, that's probably going to be it for what we need to do. And then we got it painted. Then we're going to have to put new decals on. It'll look like new. So we got a part. A piece for the side chute for on the baler. Hard to do one-handed. The door and take it in. It's the side piece to go on right there. Bolts on in those bolt holes. As you can see, it's not straight. I need to straighten it out a bit, put it on and sand it down. More stuff done. So, gonna go get a few more. What we're doing now is just getting more work done. I'm gonna be sanding this big box. Alvin's getting the other piece over there, and Dad's cleaning out the inside. Day 2 of working on the baler. It's a bit rainy, but not too bad. Let's take my glasses off. The camera. There. So we're just getting more work done. That big box, I'm getting that all sanded, and Dad's making new spots for it, cutting out metal. Put in there since there's all rusted out. So now I'm going to be painting the yellow, finally, on the baler, all underneath. This part under here, that's all yellow, the hay pickup. I found the name for those front things that are sitting in the corner. What are they called again, Dad? The pickup guards. That's it. The pickup guards. Got to paint all of this. Get in behind the tire. We already painted that spot, but it's rough, so I'm going to do it again. Under there. Alvin's painted that other piece right there. And we finished all the welding on that. That's all welded up.
I gotta grind.
And then Dad's going to grind.
Put these pieces in.
We're
fussy.
Everything's rusted out. This is not very... What's the word for that? Impact. This'll help. Right here. Screwdriver. almost got done. I found the brush. It's small, but it works. Had to take my glove off again for the camera. This is a really, really small brush, but it's the only one that I can get to work. The other one was too hard.
Need a hammer.
Not working good? Oh, we got the yellow done. Looks really good on the baler. Just need to get the rest of it done. Got all this back side, all this side. And then the back here was the hard part. So
Spray the rest.
the rest will have to be sprayed.
Yeah, underneath here. You get it next.
And there's that, and we gotta do the other side. Right through there. Then I had some help too from Alvin and Dad.
Now put the heat on and leave it just with the heat.
That's it for today's video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.